Hey, this is Lewis from the channel Captain 250FX. Today we're on Long Lake. Stick around, I'll do all the work. Go ahead and watch. From what I remember of Long Lake is there's a lot of roots and woods, but no rocks though. So well, not only do we got perfect dirt, but you can feel the difference obviously when you get on a brand new tire. The lugs on a 34 are pretty big, a lot bigger than the 33. What do you think, guys, of the condition so far?
Awesome.
Good. Perfect.
Mint.
Moist.
Moist.
Moist. That's the word of the day. Here it is. Looks like a big sand dune right now that's just saying, come on, come play. Well, you can smell the methane gas though from it. We packing for snacks?
Nerd gummy clusters.
Oh, gummy clusters, that's a must.
That's some definite trail energy.
That's when you know you're serious.
Yep.
What do you got?
Rice Krispie.
Rice Krispie?
I got boring Chips Ahoy.
Chips Ahoy?
I took a page out of Brian's book.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, those are good.
Did you put it in your sack so it gets warm though?
Nice and warm and crumbly.
What do you got? Some
I got the Mango, the Hillbilly Mango, and the chewy chocolate chip.
granola bar. Basic.
Can't forget the Jack Links.
Yeah.
Jack Links.
Be careful, we're getting mugged.
That's more for when you ride at night, so you keep away Sasquatch.
Sasquatch.
How long ago did they log this?
I think 2 seasons.
Yeah.
2 seasons ago?
Yeah.
This used to be like obviously really heavily wooded, but
when there's none of that undergrowth, you know, like or none of the overgrowth.
yeah, guys, if you've never been on this trail is really fast from what I remember.
Yeah.
The dirt's perfect day. There's a lot of roots, but kind of getting blown out a little bit. It's like really fast. Pretty much top of 3rd and 4th gear.
Yeah, it's quick.
Oh, this trail is so good. We left the truck about Temperature was 46 degrees. Getting that time of year in Michigan where it doesn't get any better. They had rain earlier this week up here. This dirt combined with a brand new knobby on the back is like heaven, man. Yeah, this trail too is... I'm in fourth gear right now. Definitely a third and fourth gear. Get a little video of Paul Scooby here. Haven't rode with him yet this year.
Alright guys, hop in here real quick. Just like I just said, I'm following Paul Scooby, and I end up chasing him for several minutes in the video, and then I think like the last 5 minutes of the video I'm chasing down my good friend Max Olson. So, and then after that clip I'm just gonna cut the video there, because you guys got several more minutes to see what Long Lake is like if you've never ridden this trail. I forgot how good it was. It was a lot faster than what I remember, but it had enough stuff on it to make it fun. You know, it has quite a bit of roots. I don't know if this was groomed or not, but I remember it being a lot more whooped out, and the whoops were not bad at all. So there's enough elevation change to make it cool too. So I highly recommend this trail. But yeah, I'll leave it at that, and I'll let you guys watch the rest of the video, and hope you guys enjoy and get out there if you can. This was a really fun trail. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.
Now I'm behind Max. Big boy. That 350 is eating today. Oh, oh.